Welcome back to Lawyer Talk. I'm Adam Goldfein. This is where we get up close and personal with Atlanta's top attorneys. I'm being joined by Richard Griffin of the Griffin Law Firm. If you are in pain and you need the law on your side, then call 877-PAIN-LAW. That's how you can speak with Richard. If somebody's sitting there and saying, Richard, okay, you seem like a nice guy. I want to talk to you, but I'm not giving you any money.
Right.
I just want to talk to you.
Right.
Can they do that?
Absolutely. Free consultation.
What do they do? Tell them.
Well, basically, if you call at that 877-PAIN-LAW or you go to injuryatlanta.com, I'll be able to talk to you about your specific case, the problems and concerns that you have. I'll be able to talk to you about what I think your case is worth and how the firm can help you get the result that you deserve.
But Richard, what do I need you for? I'll do it myself.
Well, there are a lot of people that have that thought, and you think, well, I can save some money, it'll work out great.
Yeah, because let's be honest. Okay, let's lay it all down. If I hire you, I got to give you a fee.
True.
Okay, now, that being said, you don't get paid unless you win something.
Correct.
So I don't pay you just for taking my case.
Absolutely.
You'd only take my case if what?
I'm going to take your case if you have a case that I know I'm going to be able to hit it out of the park for you with.
Because
it's going to be a case that you are going to get the recovery that you deserve because the liability is there was a negligent party, you're injured. I want to represent people that are truly injured and need to be compensated.
All right, but look, help me, and I don't want your spin. Okay. No, I don't. I want, what do the facts say? If I represent myself, won't I get the same money than I would get if you represented me? Because if you're saying liability is liability, pain is pain, the incident is the incident, what do I need you for?
Well, the insurance companies did a study, and it was 3.5 times more for people who had representation versus those who represented themselves.
What do you mean? The recovery was 3.5 times more?
Correct.
So if I would have had 100,000 of my own,
right,
I would have gotten 350,000 with you.
Right.
If I would have gotten $1 million on my own, I would have gotten 3.5 million with you.
And I know of specific examples with my cases. Just this past week, we had a case where we got it settled for $25,000, and they had been offered $1,000 before they hired us.
25 times
so that's
more.
25 times. There have been cases where they were offered $0, and we were able to get a $2.5 million verdict. So, there are scenarios.
Why such a big difference, though? I mean, the I guess we have to step back and recognize what the insurance companies are there to do.
Right.
And it's not necessarily the same goal as you have.
Right.
They're not there trying to make the injured party whole. They're there trying to maximize the profits for their own corporation, right? And at the same time limit their risk.
So they're absolutely on the opposite side of the fence. They are going to do their best to save their employer money at your expense.